Ashlyn Jones doing her first mathematics reflection. The first question was, how do standards influence teaching mathematics in the elementary school? Standards influence the mathematics teaching to students because it is totally revolves around it. That's standards tell teachers what to teach, when to teach them, and it's also very beneficial with keeping all the students on the same level. So if there weren't any standardized like TEKS or anything, we would have students like if, for example, if it was a third grade class, you would have some students on a fifth grade level and then some students on a kindergarten level in different classes, and it just wouldn't work. Having standards is very needed and beneficial. Question 2. When teaching topic of place value, how can teachers determine when students first learn about this topic and eventually master the topic? Again, our standards tell us exactly when to do that. Place value begins in first grade, and then it continues throughout the semester, and then goes up to fifth grade, well, continues until schooling. And so the teachers know exactly what to teach, so it'll tell you to focus on place value with addition and subtraction. That's what you start out in first grade, and it go on. So that's another very benefit of having place value. Number 3, what is your opinion about instructional standards at the national, state, and local levels of education? In my opinion, like I stated before, standards are very important and beneficial to the students. I don't necessarily think that standardized testing is that, to the extent that we test, is very beneficial or needed for the students, but I think standards are needed to keep students on track and to make sure that everyone is being taught the same thing at the same time at the appropriate level. I think that we need standardized tests, but I don't think they need as much pressure as is put on them. So, thank you.